I'm excited about 2020, and I'd be very excited about it if I was selling my home in the east end of Toronto, but I'll dive into more details on that very shortly. 2019 finished with a bang, or rather a fizzle, which tends to be the case because very few people list their homes for sale between the middle of December and the middle of January. Toronto's unemployment rate dipped to 5.7%, down 0.1% over November of 2019, and the Canadian economy added 35,000 new jobs. Inflation jumped to 2.2%, so we'll keep a close eye on this, as I'm sure the Bank of Canada is too, to see how things look next month. And GDP growth over last quarter was 1.3%. Focusing in on downtown Toronto core real estate statistics, the average detached home price was $1.57 million, average semi-detached home price $1.325 million, and average condo price at $723,000. Total average days on market for all home types was 19.4 days. A few interesting notes. The east end of Toronto, Leslieville, Riverside, Riverdale was tight, meaning at the end of December there were no semi-detached or attached row houses for sale and only 4 detached homes and 2 condos for sale. There is no inventory, which is keeping those bidding wars happening. The condo market hasn't really deviated much with regard to the average price, sitting at $723,000 from last month at $720,000, only 1.4 months of inventory. Expect great listings to sell very quickly, and what I'm finding very, very interesting is that the rental market is lagging in some pockets. Not to say that it's correcting, but I am seeing some properties linger on the market longer than landlords would like. And I think it's worth noting that buyers should be very cautious spending $1,300 to $1,500 for new construction condos this late in the housing cycle.